Hi, Jim Colt here. We're with MaverickCNC and we're using a Hypertherm Powermax 85 on this machine. I want to talk briefly about cutting corrugated, kind of like roofing material. It's very popular, especially in the artistic market, using an old piece of roofing material with the rounded corrugations on it. It gives the CNC cutting table a pretty good workout because the height control on a CNC cutting table is pretty much developed to compensate for any minor height differences in a piece of plate on a table, flat plate. However, using the right setup, you can actually cut corrugated material without the torch ever touching the material. One of the tricks that you do is to slow down the X and Y axis speed. Quite often that will cause a little bit of dross on the material, or re-solidified metal on the back side. Often, if it's an artistic piece, it's going to be hanging on the wall in a restaurant or something like that. They love to have that dross on the back. Sometimes it looks good. It's a rusty piece of vintage artwork. So slow down the X and Y speeds a little bit. Make sure that the Z axis speed is set at a relatively high rate, and go ahead and cut that material, and you'll find it'll work very well. If you do need help with it, if you have issues, the experts at MaverickCNC and the experts at Hypertherm and the tech service departments can certainly help you with those settings. The machine is perfectly capable of cutting that corrugated material.